Hello dear student. Today start from the new topic. Your new topic name is least common multiple. Here will be least common multiple can be denoted by this short form. Here will be LCM. Okay, here will be LCM can be denoted by the least common multiple. Now your question is what? Find the LCM of given number using the prime factorization method. It means that prime factorization method you have to find it. Now for the first one example, find the LCM of 36 and 54. Now the solution of the example, find the LCM of 36 and 54. It means that first of all we have to using the prime factorization method. It means that we have to use the divisible. Okay, simple method. Okay, now listen here. Here will be 36 is are divided by 2 definitely. Okay, so just see it. First of all we have to write down the 36 on first side and 2 we have to write down on other side. Okay, now see 2 is divided by 36. Definitely your answer will become here 18. Now the second one row is 18. Okay, 18 is also divided by 2 because 2 9s are 18, so we have to write down the 9 is our third one row, and the 9 is also divided by 3 because 3 3s are 9. It means that here will be 3 3s are 9, here will be 3 we have to write down on the fourth one row. Okay, it means that here will be 3 is also divided by 3 because 3 1 ja 3. This is we have to write down the 3 1 ja 3 is a 1. Okay, so your last one answer is what? 1. Okay, it means that your multiplication is what? Here will be 36 is equals to, here will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. It means that here will be 2 multiplied by 2 4, 4 multiplied by 3, here will be 12, here will be 12 multiplied by 3. Your answer is what? 36. It means that this multiplication is what? This is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This is for a 36. And the same way we have to solve the 54. Definitely 54 is also divided by 2. So we have to 54 you have to write down on the first side and the 2 we have to write down on other side. Here will be 54 divided by 2. Just we have to divide it by it. 54 is a half of is what? 27. We have to write down the 27, and the 27 is also divided by 3 because 3 9s are 70 27. So we have to write down on third row. This is our 9. Okay, and 9 also divided by 3 because 3 3s are 9. Okay, so here will be 3 we have to write down on the fourth one row, and the 3 is also divided by 3. It means that your answer, last one answer is what? 1. Okay, now your multiplication is what? This is your 54 is equals to, here will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now check your answer is correct or not. First of all you have to check it. 2 multiplied by 3, your answer is what? 6. 6 multiplied by 3, your answer is what? 18. Here will be 18 multiplied by 3, definitely your answer is what? 54. It means that your answer is correct. Both the methods are correct. Okay, then your question is what? Find the LCM of, here will be 36 and 54. Okay, so how can we find it the LCM of 36 and 54? Now see the example carefully. Here will be, I already find out the multiplication. Here will be 36 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And for the 54 I already find out the 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And find the LCM is equals to, for the LCM it means what? Here will be least common multiple. And now see the example, both the 36 and 54, here will be 2 repeated by 2 times, so we have to write down the 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, and the 3 we have to repeat it in the 3 times for the 36 and 54, both of you. So we have to multiply it by what? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now just we have to solve it. Here will be LCM is equals to, here will be 2 multiplied by 2, your answer is what? 4. 4 multiplied by 3, your answer is what? 12. 12 multiplied by 3, definitely your answer is what? 36. And 36 multiplied by 3, definitely your answer is what? 108. This is our multiplication. Okay, it means that your answer is what? It will be LCM is equals to 108. It will be LCM can be denoted from the least common multiple. It will be least common multiple of 36 and 54 is our 108. This is our final answer. Okay, now let's start from the second one example. Second one example, find the LCM of 63 and 105. First of all, you have to 63, we have to write it. Definitely 63 is the divided by 3, not a divided by 2. And we have to use the prime factorization method. I already discussed how can we find the prime number and composite number also. And the 63, it will be 63 definitely divided by 3. It will be 63 divided by 3. Your answer is what? 21. We have to write down the 21. 21 is also divided by 3. We have to write down the 3 on the one side and 21 on the other side. It will be 3 7 ja 21. Then 7 we have to write down on the third row. And the 7 is 7 is also divided by 7. Your answer is what? 1. Okay, it means that for a multiplication is what? Here will be 63 is equals to, here will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now check your answer is correct or not. Here will be 3 multiplied by 3, your answer is what? 9 definitely. And 9 multiplied by 7, because 9 7 is 63, it means that your answer is correct. Okay, your method is correct. Okay, now same way we have to find out the 105 by using the factorization method. 105 is divided by what? This is our 5. Okay, so simple. 105 divided by 5. 105 is write down on first row and write down on 5 on other row. Okay, now we have to divide it by it. This is our 21 because of 5 2 ja 10 and 5 1 ja 1. Okay, so we have to write down the 21. And the 21 is also divided by what? 3. So definitely we have to write down the 3 7 ja 21. Okay, here will be 7, we have to write down on the third one row. And the 7 is also divided by what? 7. It means that your correct answer is, last one answer is what? 1. Definitely. Now check your answer 105 is correct or not. Just we have to check it. Okay, this is your 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, 5 multiplied by 3, your answer is what? 15. 15 multiplied by 7, because 15 7 ja 105, it means that your answer is correct also. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. And then last we have to find out the LCM. Okay, so how can we find the LCM? This is the least common multiple. Here will be LCM is equals to what? First we have to find the least common multiple. 3 we have to repeat it in 2 times for the 63 and 105. We have to write down the 3 multiplied by 3 and 5 only one time multiplied by 5, and 7 is also one time. You have to multiply by 7 remaining. Okay, just check it. Here will be LCM is what? Here will be LCM is equals to, here will be 3 multiplied by 3, here will be 9. 9 multiplied by 5, it will be 45. 45 multiplied by 7, just we have to calculation part. Here will be 45 multiplied by 7, definitely your answer is come with 315. It means that here will be LCM is equals to 315. This is our final answer. Okay, it means that we have to find out the least common multiple or LCM of 63 and 105. Your final answer is what? 315. This is our final answer. Okay. Now the start from the third one example. Third one example. Find the LCM of 60 and 72. Similar method. First of all, we have to find the prime factorization method. We have to use the prime number. Here will be 2. Okay. First of all, 2 divided by 60, definitely divided by 30 times. It will be 30. We have to write down on second row. And 30 is also divided by 2. It will be 30 divided by 2. Definitely your answer will become here 15. 15 we have to write down on third one row. And the 15 is also divided by 3, because the 3 5 are what, 15. Okay, so we have to write down on the fourth one row. And the 5 is also divided by 5, then your last one answer is what, 1. It means that your multiplication is what, this is your 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now check your answer is correct or not. Just check it. Here will be 60 is equals to, here will be 2 multiplied by 2, your answer is what, 4. 4 multiplied by 3, here will be 12. Here will be 12 multiplied by 5, your answer is what, 60. It means that your answer is correct. Next we have to find out for the 72. Here will be 72 divided by 2, because 72 divided by 2, your correct answer is what, 36. 36 is also divisible by 2. We have to use the 2. 2 divided by 36, your answer is what, 18. 18 is also divided by 2 for a 9 times, because a 2 9 is 18, 9 times. And the 9 is also divisible by 3, because the 3 3 is a 9, and the 3 divided by 3, your correct answer is what, 1. Now check your answer is correct or not for the 72. 72 is equals to, here will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now check your answer. Your answer is correct or not. Here will be 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36 multiplied by 2. Your answer is what, 72. It means your answer is correct also for 72. Just we have to find out the LCM. LCM it means what? Here we find out the least common multiple. Here will be LCM is equals to, first of all, the least common multiple. Here will be 2 repeated by 3 for the 60 and 72. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 repeated by the 2 times. It will be 3 multiplied by 3, and 5 is remaining only one time. 5 is multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. Now we have to solve it. It will be LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 3, 24, 24 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Just you have to solve it with a simple calculation part. Your correct answer is what, 360. This is your final answer. Here will be your last one line is what, here will be LCM of 60 and 72 is 360. LCM means what? Here will be least common multiple of 60 and 72. Your final answer is what? 360. Okay, this is all our example is are based on to find out the least common multiple. Okay, I hope everyone student understood this concept. This is your LCM concept, least common multiple. Okay, and next topic start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.